Yo, 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 yo. Nikki Owowo. Shout out to Logos, Logosase. This is where I got this video from titled Nature Boy Must Got His Eviction Notice. Now, I saw this a few days ago, but since then, Nature Boy made a video saying that he actually does have to move and that they're thinking about renting out two RVs and just taking this thing on the road. So I'm going to post that video also. But this is the only video I've seen. So I guess this is by the time he already got his little notice. Let me take a little sippy sip of coffee. And so they decided to go out and dance in the street. I don't know if this was before or after, but picture this, Sicily, right? If these were your neighbors and you look outside and you see this. Now, the person who video that I got this from, she talks in it. So I'm going to mute it. And the music, I'm going to show you what I mean. It's kind of choppy. And he's not saying anything in it anyway. So I'll be your music. I'm going to turn it down. And we're going to watch them jam out there in the middle of the street in the rain. These are your neighbors. Just picture this. You look outside and this is what you see. Come on, y'all. Get it together. Come on. Okay, ladies. That's a good information. Okay, ladies. That's a good information. Oh, get it. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, get it. Oh, bring it back. Bring it up. Bring it. Oh. Okay. Switch. Oh, shit. Pop it. Oh, let's do the ram. Vogue it. Bring it up. Ram. Do it all. Don't pop it. Don't drop it. Don't pop it non-stop. Bring it up. Freeze. Windmill. Bring it down. Bring it round. Stick and move. Stick and move. Stick and move. What? Was that the tongue? Picture it. You look outside and this is what you see. You're not gonna call for help? Oh, okay, get it. Dun 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 on the YMCA and on the YMCA. Oh, shake it, don't break it, shake it, oh, shake it, don't break it, shake it, don't break it, shake it. What is this? Oh, this the zombie dip. Oh yeah, this is the dead man's alley here. You gotta dip some more, nigga. Right. Dip it. Drop it. Okay, let's see if you're gonna talk. Picture it. You look out your window and you see this. Looking like the goddamn people under the stairs. What? Look at this. Look at this. Look how everybody looking at. Look at this zombified devil worshiping shit. Rebuke devil in the name of Jesus. This person don't even have a face. Look at this. She don't even have a face. Look at that. Do you see that? Look at this. Why I gotta put you up a little bit? Look at this. He told them when I put the camera on you, this picture this, Sicily, right? And you feel like a person in their right state of mind at this present time. Because I'm not saying Nature Boy don't know some shit, but he utilized his shit for evil and shit. It's good versus evil in this world, and he damn sure know whose side he on, where everybody should know. He thought this through. He was like, hey, we gonna go out here, right? Me and the boys. We gonna go outside and we gonna break this shit down. We gon' bust it wide open and until it bring it back up. Bust it wide open, bust it wide open. We gon' be out there busting it wide open, right? And when we turn the camera on you, I want y'all to put up the motherfucking threes, right? Put the motherfucking threes up. Alright? And you lick your fucking tongue out and you look like you pull in your inner motherfucking cheetahs, okay? You at the motherfucking screen. You got it? You got it? Yes, I see I three so. You don't sit your ass down. Review yourself. You lucky I dropped my remote. Got the nerve to have sweet old Mickey Mouse on the damn car. Was that Mickey or Minnie? I don't know if that's Mickey or Minnie. That's a nice door. I like the way that door set up. I like the way that door set up. I like the glasses on each side. I got that same kind of thing right there. Nature Boy, is this the house y'all got to move out of? Ah! Yes, move, bitch. I'm in the mirror. Oh, lean with it. Rock with it, baby. Lean with it. Rock with it. Lean with it. Rock with it. Oh, oh, oh. That nigga still in Vogue mode. Look at him. Nature Boy calling is Juilliard. Because he's so fucking dramatic. Like, he has so many different impersonations and stuff. And, you know, he's a good actor. Don't you get naked on here, boy. Everybody don't. Look, the boys is in there. And that's what you doing. This nigga is pumping the earth. Yeah, he on that ecstasy. Look. He said, come fuck these bitches. Nigga, you looking in the mirror. So you calling yourself a bitch. Oh. And he said, come fuck these bitches. I'm sorry for my mouth. Look. Cause gotta teach these bitches how to act. Come over here. Then how you gonna come over there as a man and then when the dudes come in, that's how you gonna give it to a woman? To my rare. I gotta hear this again. Look. Nature, I'm not gonna be playing with you. You looking in the mirror, sir. Wait, I'm sorry. Aw. Wait. God, you cold. You a cold. You a bad boy, God. And I'm talking about for real, Lord and Savior. God, the hell you talking to your damn self. He got this man looking in the mirror, talk about bitches. Come fuck these bitches. Aw. Okay, wait. I'm gonna stop. Wait. Please, come on. Please come back. Let me see. I'm sorry, y'all. I got to pull it back to the point. Y'all got Look at you. Oh, Lord. You better not have to pulled your pants down in front of them boys.
My motherfucking pussy. Hurry up! Get it off my screen!
What?
Fuck meditation, bitch.
Oh, shit.
Demon time. Fuck peace. It's demon time, nigga. I want demon shit playing on my TV all time. Get that piece of shit off.
If I ain't told you once, is good versus evil in this world. He for sure. I'm telling you, he tell you whose side he on.
My motherfucker. Fuck you, white boy. You gotta suck my dick and apologize. And give me back what's mine.
Nature Boy, why do you keep calling people to your penis? I done heard you tell several different men to suck your penis. I don't understand that. Why do you keep inviting me in there?
You owe me, Seth. You owe me. It's Horace. I got chubby. Because I don't give a fuck no more. Fuck this body. Fuck this world. Fuck everything in it. Bitch.
Oh, well, you sad, Nature Boy. That's his heart, y'all. I'm telling you, he's still dealing with a broken heart from the separation from his mother. So he take out that anchor. So that's why he don't mind separating people, because he feel like he was separated and he ain't dealt with that shit yet. That's why he hate Velvet so fucking much. You understand? Because she took her power back. And now she did the right thing and got them babies away. I'm gonna post a video. She did an interview, and I'm gonna post that too. Just some key points and stuff in there that she said. The whole video. I'm gonna tell you where I got it from. But let's go ahead. It's only a couple of seconds left in this Demons video.